Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss lesson number 5, the story of the monkey and the dog. Everybody follow the picture. Okay? Page number 24. Here monkeys and dog. Okay? So let's start. Long ago, a monkey called Jack lived in a forest. Long ago, a monkey called Jack lived in a forest. He was a fool. One day he decided to go to the village. Means long ago means so many days before ago. A monkey called Jack. The name of the monkey Jack. He lived in a forest. Where he was lived in a forest. One day he decided to go to the village. His wish, he will go to the village. Then Jack's friend learned about this. Means other monkeys. Everything listen. Jack's friend learned about this. Don't go, Jack. Village is a dangerous place. Don't go, Jack. Village is a dangerous place. His friend advised to him, you should not go there. You should not go there. Don't go. But Jack, no, he did not listen anything. But he did not listen anything. Did not listen to them and went to the village. He will go. No, Jack said, no, I will go, I will go, I will go. Like this, he said, Jack. Who said? Jack said. Did not listen anything. But he did not listen. Friends said, don't go there. Don't go there. Village is a dangerous place, but can't listen. Did not listen anything. After that, in the village, he saw a dog standing beside his kennel. Means the monkey, the name of the monkey is here Jack. Jack went the village. In the village, that time he entered the village. He saw a dog standing beside his kennel. This cage is beautiful. Means whose cage? Means kennel. Kennel is beautiful. Beautiful means nice or pretty, like this. Very okay, good. This cage is beautiful. Can I get inside? Can I get inside? Jack asked the dog. Before I have said Jack was very full. Jack was a very full. That's why he asked to dog, can I get inside? The dog agreed. Okay, you go. Like this said, okay, you go. The dog agreed. As soon as Jack entered the kennel, the dog started barking. As soon as Jack entered the kennel, the dog started barking. After that, as soon as Jack entered the kennel, the dog started barking. Okay. Then his master, the farmer, the farmer heard him and came to look. means the dog barking. Then master also came out from his building, means his room. His master, the farmer, heard everything, then came to look. Who is he? Who is he? Like this. Who is there? Why the dog is barking? Like this. The farmer was pleased, means glad. Pleased means glad. To see the monkey. To see the monkey. The farmer was pleased to see the monkey. Happy. The farmer was very happy. "Ah, monkey is here in the kennel." Very happy. He caught the monkey and sold him to a circus company. Too much bad, this farmer. He caught the monkey and sold him to a circus company. After that, the owner of the circus treated the monkey. Owner of the circus treated the monkey as a servant, and made him do all sorts of jobs, like those are doing in the circus. The owner of the circus treated the monkey as a servant. Servant means, maid servants working at home, like this. Servant, as a servant, the treated the circus owner also the monkeys, and made him do all sorts of jobs. So here, I hope all of you understood this story about a monkey and dog. The monkey is full, monkey was full. He don't know villagers are too dangerous. That's why his friend also advised to him, don't go there. Village is a dangerous place. But he did not listen anything. He came in the village, and this situation is coming. Dog also clever. That time monkey said to dog, can I get inside? That time, this cage is very beautiful, can I get inside? Then dog agreed. As soon as Jack entered the kennel, the dog started barking. After that, his master, means dog's master, the farmer, heard him and came to look, means dog barking. That time he listened everything from his room, then came out. The farmer was pleased, means glad. Pleased means glad. Okay. To see the monkey, he caught the monkey and sold him to a circus company. This one very painful thing. The monkey was very good, but the dog is very clever, and his master's also clever. That's why he caught the monkey and sold him to a circus company. The owner of the circus treated the monkey as a servant and made him do all sorts of jobs. Owner also very bad. The owner of the circus treated the monkey as a servant, maid servant. Okay, so like this, and made him do all sorts of jobs. So Here are so many short questions coming from this story. Means the name of the monkey, what is the name of the monkey, then who was a fool, then who decided to go to the village, and mm, like the dog, Jack asked to Jack asked to whom. Yeah, I will go to the I can I get inside, who said this, can I get inside, who said this. Okay, this type of question is coming. Okay, what is the meaning of placed, what is the meaning of fool, what is the meaning of servant. Like this question is coming. Okay, and I hope all of you understood this story. Moral of the story: be obedient. Who is obedient? The monkey was obedient. Be obedient. Moral of the story: be obedient. Who was the obedient here? Monkey. No, monkey listen everything. The circus, owner of the circus. Monkeys also, monkeys are obedient. Be obedient. And who like this question also coming, uh, who was a master, master was a farmer, like this. Okay, so everybody read the chapter properly. Okay, and spelling also, meaning also, like this. So thank you, bye bye. Today up to here, next day again I will continue. Thank you.